In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and play Deadlock. Before you do anything else, it's important to know that Deadlock is still in a limited access early development phase. That means you usually can't just search for it and install it like a fully released game. In most cases, the standard way to get access is by receiving an invitation from someone who already has access to Deadlock. So if the game isn't showing up for you right away, that's completely normal. Once you receive an invitation, the next step is to accept it through Steam. You'll typically get a Steam notification or a playtest invitation. Make sure you review it carefully and accept it there. After you've done that, Deadlock should be added to your Steam library automatically. If you don't see it immediately, give Steam a moment to refresh or reopen the app if needed. After the game appears in your library, go ahead and open Steam and head to the library section. Find Deadlock in your list of games, select it, and click Install. From there, just follow the usual installation process and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed and available storage, this may take a little time, so it's a good idea to make sure you have enough space on your device before starting. When the download is complete, you're ready to launch the game. Simply click Play from your Steam library to open Deadlock. If this is your first time playing, don't rush straight into competitive or online matches. Take some time to complete the tutorial first. This will help you understand the basic mechanics, controls, and overall flow of the game. After that, it's a smart move to spend a little time in practice matches so you can get comfortable before jumping into real games. If you don't have an invite yet, your best option is to ask a friend who already has access to invite you. You may also come across community hubs or invite megathreads where players help others get access. If you decide to explore those options, be careful. Avoid scams and be very cautious of anyone trying to sell access. The official and safest method is to receive an invitation directly through Steam. And that's it. Once you have access, accept the invite, install the game through Steam, and start with the tutorial and practice modes before playing online. That's the easiest way to download and play Deadlock.